So what is it? Just show me.
Oh, I'll plan on it.
Oh, go ahead. I'm just filming.
Oh, you're... Okay, well, I was going to show you the mess of wires over here.
Okay.
Then I'll just rip it out and everything, but yeah. That's all.
Okay.
Just one little bolt up here on the inside. Right here. Hold it up. And it just came right on down. So, so now we have a big hole. Woohoo! We're getting there. Alright, so we got all this taken care of as far as remove the wood that we need to. This part's starting to drop down a little bit, so we'll have to get a little jack or something underneath here so I can start putting the wood underneath to lift it up, keep it up. So that's why I stopped at that point, and that's why I'm not doing this area today, even though I planned on it. Oh, so this area here, I'm just gonna take a grinder and knock all these off, even on the other side. And then I'll go ahead, when I put this back, just weld this part onto the metal frame of the trailer. That, and I'm going to do it on both sides. That'll hold this up. And of course I got to replace the lock right here. Another fun thing, broke a tool today. So might as well just leave that here, and if I need it, it's here. So I do apologize for not showing this right off the bat. I just did it, didn't film it. I'll explain what I did. It was pretty simple. So I had welded yesterday to test out the welder. I welded on the piece there that goes right inside here, and just because it was a welding one, I just came back. I put Loctite, the blue, because you never know if you have to take those off. Plus they didn't have anything to start with, so this is better than anything else really, unless you want to go red and just pretty much want a permanent one. And then I simply screwed these on and tightened them down, and then put this on, lifted it up, and took out my jack stand. So I already put the line to go to the truck in, which you saw me taking out earlier. Pulled that through, and now I'm starting to pull up the insulation. It's actually really nasty. There's a lot of poop in it, so I'll see you guys back here, just show you a little bit, and then we'll move on. Here's the nasty part. So, tons of poop. If you don't want to see it, close your eyes for 2 seconds. And that's just a small part. Now, how clean does that look comparatively? So much better. Just have to remove some wires, but yeah, so much better. Okay, so this is what I finished today. I'm about 1/3 of the way through. And I attached this gorgeous piece right here, a new one, that obviously will be definitely long enough for the truck. And attached this sucker. So today I will be running all the lights. Well, not all the lights, pretty much the running lights to the front, and once I get farther along cutting out the flooring down here, I will keep running because I have to keep cutting off the clips right there, the zip ties, so I can pull the wire farther down and I can run it up to all the lights there. But I'm going to try and finish up at least the running lights up front, and hopefully that goes pretty good. I'm going to connect all the other wire connectors, and next time I come in, I actually use some self-tapping screws and everything to put it against the frame, the box. So wish me luck. So I ran the wires that will come over here. I ran the wires from here, but I'll need to connect this to this. And I ran the wires here. I'm actually waiting till I get some wood up, and then I can figure out how to get it through here, you know. Maybe I'll just leave a little opening to get to it. Not really sure. And I ran wires up and across. Doesn't look the greatest, but it'll work for now. Well, I'm calling it a day. Only been, 3 hours or so, but I've ran into all kinds of wires that are eaten up by mice, so I might as well just replace the whole line. I was hoping not to, but might as well. Ripping up the floor. Gray tank here. Then we'll have the black tank, which is actually right over the top of that. And the fresh water is over here. So I'm just going to eventually just take this all the way back, see what I'm working with, and probably replace all the wires coming back here, just because, mice has eaten some of them. They're totally messed up. Gotta do what I gotta do, right?
So I'm here right now. I just got here to the Optimus Brenda to see the update and how's it going. It's been a week. Last time I was here, and I came to pick up my broom though, because I have no broom at home.
No, it stays here.
No,
buy a new one. We buy new broom.
I need a broom. I need my broom. All right, let's check it out. How is it?
So once I get my, whatever, I'm gonna have to trim this off right here. Skill saw.
Okay.
And same with the other end. But other than that, it should fit perfectly up front.
All right. 2 down, 6 more to go.
right?
Yeah.